So traders, after a few minutes of holding and holding, we're up in profits. Is that clear? $600 profit, guys. I told you, the moment price closes below my level, this level right here. Like we already saw that from the 1 hour candle, we had to have that drop. You see that massive drop? Now look at the profits. $600 profit. Remember, I wanted to make only $400. $600. If I close off, you can literally see, guys, we are up $1,690. And that is how you make money on a daily basis, guys. I told you this is the New York Times. Trade things that you know. Use a reliable broker. This broker is called Investizo. Just closed off $642, as you can see right there. This is a real account, as you can see, guys. And I'm going to withdraw my money, my USDT, and then I'll call it a day, guys. So, guys, this is how we do it on a daily basis. So, before I take any trade, right now is the best time to take a trade when you're in the New York session. But first I take any trade, I want to first review this broker. I want to see what they offer and how do you deposit money and everything. Like, is it a smooth broker I can recommend to beginner traders? Because when you're trading in the forex market, one of the best things that you need to choose, be really careful with, is the broker that you're using. So let's get started with this video. If you're new around here, make sure to subscribe. Remember, by the end of this video, I want to try and make at least $300. I'm going to be scalping, obviously. I'm not going to be like really day trading. I'm going to be scalping since during this time we have so much momentum in the market. So let's get started with this video. First things first, when you come onto this website, as you can see, it has the colors. Like, these are my favorite colors: black, green, white, and red, as you can see. So again, become a broker and 100% commission, as you can see right there. Then you can check it out on Trustpilot, as you can see right here, and then you will see what people rate it out. But obviously, the major things I want to first see if this broker is regulated, because that is the most important thing to understand that they won't steal your money, obviously. So as you can see, when you drop down here, they offer MT4. So most of you guys love to trade with MT4. You don't love to use the trading platforms most brokers offer. Most of you guys prefer MT4. So you can see we have MT4 right here. And then 3 chart types, as you can see, 3 technical indicators. Now this is the inbuilt trading platform. This is what I love. So most times when I don't want to trade with MT4, I can just literally do everything from here. Deposit my money, do everything literally from here. I don't need to check my phone, do this. No. Sometimes it's better to trade from the computer. I'll be honest with you, it's better to trade from the computer sometimes, as you can see. So we have over 1,700 trading robots, obviously, as you can see. Now, this is how the platform looks like, as you can see. This is a very beautiful platform, actually. You can literally trade from here, see your trades. This is like almost like Trading View. See Trading View? There's where you connect your broker, and it's a lot of process. But here you can literally do everything from just here, as you can see. Then capable with any device, obviously. Buy and sell signals for all trading firms based on the indicator summary, ability to create price alerts. This is what you can do with this platform right here. Trading part of this broker. Optimized touch control, more than 50 available charting tools, 5 chart types, as you can see. There are 3 price calls for technical analysis and over 80 technical indicators, as you can see right there. So when you tap here, it will take us to that platform. As you can see right here, this is how the platform looks like. And I already have $1,000 right here that I'm going to be trading, and I'm going to be trading it from my MT. I'll trade from here, and then you guys will be seeing the profits here. So let's go back here, as you can see. So now let's first check, is this broker regulated? That is the most important thing for me. So I'm going to come to about company right here. So this is where you see if a company is regulated and everything, and you see all the certificates and everything, as you can see. So I'm just going to scroll down here. Some of the advantages of using this broker, as you can see. Then I'm just going to scroll down here. So as you can see, this broker is regulated, as you can see right here. You can see even the certificate is just down here, as you can see. They're regulated, as you can see. So I'm going to come back here. Then let's go to now the main page. Let's say now you have logged in. I'm already logged in. So I'm going to come back down here to the main. So when you come to main here, you're going to go to cabinet. Now this is when you log in, as you can see. Now if you guys want a white background, you can just tap that, and then you can have the white background, as you can see. So here I already have my $1,000 here, as you can see. This is the one I deposited using TRX-C20 USDT. So one of the main things is deposit and withdraw methods. So if I was going to come to account types, you can see you can open an account. When you open an account, there are 2 account types you can open from. You can see we have the standard account, then we have the real ECN account, and then the rest are demo accounts for you to practice on, as you can see. When we come back here, you can come to the part of investments. Now this part of investments, this is where we have copy trading. Now this is one of the best tool that I love to see most brokers have. Literally, when you are, let's say, a big trader, you know how to trade, you can open up your account here, an investment account, and people can invest with you and then make money. And you can literally see details of everyone. So you can look at this one. This is someone from Switzerland, and you can look at the total growth, 123%, as you can see. Lifespan, they have been around for 277 days, as you can see. You can literally tap on any that you want, and then you can invest with them, as you can see. You can become an investor right here, as you can see, and then you can literally see how much money are they making, how are they managing risk and everything. So this is one of the tools that I love to see when it comes to trading in the forex market, as you can see, guys. Now, apart from this part right here, you can also become someone people can invest with. You can become a manager right here. Tap become a manager, and then you fill in your details here, put in your username. This would be a very nice tool to have. Then you can become an affiliate if you want to make money from affiliate marketing. You can become an affiliate. When you sign up with this broker, you can always push this broker to other people if you see that it's really good for you. And then you can be making money whenever the people are trading. Yes. Then payments, this is where we're going to see how do you deposit and how do you withdraw. So first of all, I'm in Kenya, and one of the ways people love to deposit money in Kenya is by using M-Pesa. Now when you come here, so this is my account right here. You can see I deposited using USDT TRC20, as you can see right there. Now let's say I come down here to deposit. Let's say deposit. What methods do we have? So for me, I used TRC20, but you can also use, as you can see, you can use bank card. Then you have PayPal. I don't know about this one. Then you have also crypto, as you can see right there. And then also we have, we need to be having M-Pesa. Yeah, we should be having M-Pesa for most people are in Kenya and Tanzania, as you can see. Then you can also do internal transfer. Internal transfer, this is where you're transferring money from one account to another, just like that, as you can see. Then, yeah, those are one of the ways to deposit money. And one of the fastest ways I always recommend is use Bitcoin or USDT. These are the fastest ways you can do this. And then the easiest way, people in Kenya, you guys have PayPal. Use PayPal. PayPal is right here, as you can see, 0 commission, you see. So this is how you deposit money. Now let's go to withdraw. How do we withdraw money? If you have made profits and all that, it's the same thing. As you can see, we have card. We don't have PayPal, but you can withdraw again with USDT. This is the fastest way. You have Eversend. If you have cheaper cash, you can use those two apps to withdraw your money from these platforms, because they also offer USDT. So you can use Eversend and receive your money from this such a broker like this. You see, guys. Now this is what we have. Now let's jump back onto this part right here, and then we go into the chat. Remember, I said we want to make at least $400 today by scalping. We're going to try and scalp today, and just show you if I'm scalping, can I make money from trading? Now let's come down here. And to the trading platform, and then make analysis, and you guys will be seeing everything right here. So I'm going to look for gold. You know, I love to trade gold. During this time, you only want to trade gold because it moves very fast. If you only know how to trade gold. Now traders, this is my chart, as you can see. This is my beautiful chart. So first things first, I'm going to be trading gold. Gold is a pair that moves very fast. Now, if you have seen, gold has been moving from last week. Price closed off at this zone here, which we call a supply zone. Last week when price closed off, it closed off from this zone right here. And guess what? Today when price opened up, it started by going back onto this zone. It dropped, and then after it went back again. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to check the smaller time frame. So I'm just going to check something like 5 minutes time frame, as you can see. So what we had price of gold drop massively. So it dropped massively from this zone right here. Let me show you. So we had price drop massively. When price opened up, price went back up onto this zone. Then after it dropped massively onto this zone right here, as you can see. Then after it went back up to sweep more liquidity before coming at this level where it is right now. Now currently, you see, one of the things that I love to trade is demand and supply. Now when you look closely, we have this aggressive selling right here. You can see. So we had price reverse back and tap onto that zone right there, which is the zone that caused this downside move. And then now price is dropping. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to mark out this zone so you guys can see it. I'm going to mark out this zone. So this zone right here caused this downside move. That's why if I was to make this video a few minutes ago, we would have caught a nice trade and probably would have made the back $1,000 on my account. Now, as you can see, now that zone caused this downside move. That will be our first trade. Now, the trade that I'm going to catch is price breaking below this zone and then closing below. So what I want is price now to break this zone right here, as you can see. So if price can break below this zone right there and close below, then we're going to catch a nice trade. Because obviously, when you look at the higher time frame, everything shows that price is going to shoot big time down to the downside. Now, let's zoom into the 1 minute time frame and then find our interest. Most times I can even stay on the 5 minute time frame. I can stay on the 5 minutes time frame and catch my trade from there. But for me to see my break and retest, I need to stay on the smaller time frame. As you can see now, price is still playing around, but all we want to see is break below and then retest. So What we do now is a waiting game. That is what we are going to do. We do what we call a waiting game, where we wait for price to break and then close below our point, and then we're going to catch a trade. So as you can see, guys, I think my internet on my computer had switched, and guess what? Price had already broken through my zone. This zone right here. You see this zone that where I drew the line? Price had already broken through. Let me show you guys. Just you can see price had already broken through. So we're now going to take a trade with a 0.50 lot, and then sell. As you can see, we're going to sell, and then we're going to sell again like this. Because again, price is now going to just shoot back to the downside. If it only goes back, it will go back down to just retrace onto this zone right here that it has broken. So I'll show you right here. If price is to go back up, it's just going to go back and retrace onto this zone there. It will just be a pullback. After the pullback, we're just going to have price drop down massively. As you can see, I've taken my trades right now, and I'm running only $90 loss. As you can see, this is Basil Junior, as you can see. Let's now hold and see how this thing drops. Now you can even see now it has updated here on my computer. You can literally see now we want price to drop massive. At least if you can make $400, we'll be out of this. As you can see, right there, right there. Remember, this is gold. Trading gold, you do it at your own risk. Please, never risk more than how much you're willing to lose. Now let's continue. Let's see how price plays out. Price is moving up and down, up and down. We're going to have a very big dip to the downside, and I'm going to come back here and tell you how everything went. Guys, guess what? It's not even minutes in, guys. Look at that. We're already floating $150 profits, almost entering $100. Look at that. We're almost entering, guys. I told you when you're scalping, you need to know how you're scalping. You don't just jump into the markets. I literally just entered the markets a few minutes ago. If I had taken the trade when price had broken my zone up here, when price had just broken my zone up here, I would have hit my target. You see, guys? But right now, we're in profits, guys. We're in profits. And you can see right here, the drop is happening. Right there. You can literally see, guys, we're running now $150 profit, as you can see. Let's see how far we can go with this trade. Again, price is supposed to drop. When I zoom out like that, you can literally see price is going to drop massively. But all we want is to make at least $300 or $400 from this one trade. And if price moves more than, let's see how many pips. If price moves more than, at least more than 50 pips, then I'm going to break even my trade. And then this will be a risk-free trade. It's moving up and down, as you can see, but we are still up profits. Let's see how it goes. Timing is all that matters, guys. When you're trading the forex market, timing matters. Let's see. Understand your trade. I'll even show you my trade that I just called. Let me show you my trade, guys. I told you when price closes below that trade, we are dropping to the downside, guys. This was the trade right here. We needed price to close below this level right here, this level. And guess what? Price closed below, and it's still dropping like water. And I told you, always catch our trades from the smaller time frame, as you can see. Look at that. This is the zone that I wanted price to close below. This zone right here. And guess what? Price closed below the other counter-side pouring like water. Look at that. Price is still pouring like water. We even had a pattern. Sometimes when you see this falling wedge will tell you the price is coming to the downside. Look at that. This falling wedge will also sometimes tell the price is coming to the downside. You see that? Most people think a falling wedge is just a reversal pattern to the upper side. No, you can literally see we had price break it from here. You can literally see we had price break and then pull back on this and then drop. But me, I caught the trade from up here, and that is how we trade. I caught this live, and most of you guys keep on saying he doesn't know how to trade, blah blah blah. I've shown you. New York time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be leaving the link of this broker. I recommend them. They offer proper spreads on gold, which allow to trade faster deposits, and that platform where you can trade from without going to check onto trading and all that. You can even modify everything here. You can change the language and everything. So make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next. Peace.